Memphis and Shelby County Septic System Installer Bond. What is a septic system installer bond? A septic system installer bond is a type of surety bond required by the Memphis and Shelby County government for individuals or companies engaged in the installation of septic systems. Why is it required? The requirement for a septic system installer bond serves several important purposes. Consumer protection. By requiring installers to obtain a bond, consumers are provided with financial recourse in case they incur damages or losses due to the installer's actions or negligence. Regulatory compliance. The bond serves as a mechanism to ensure that installers adhere to all relevant regulations and standards set forth by the Memphis and Shelby County government. This helps maintain the integrity of septic systems and protects public health and the environment. Financial responsibility. Obtaining a bond demonstrates that the installer is financially stable and capable of covering any potential liabilities that may arise from their work. How to obtain a bond? To obtain a septic system installer bond in Memphis and Shelby County, installers must follow these steps. Research bonding companies. Shop around and compare quotes from different bonding companies to find the best rates and terms. Complete application. Fill out an application form provided by the bonding company. This form will typically require information about the installer's business, financial history, and experience in the industry. Undergo credit check. The bonding company will conduct a credit check to assess the installer's financial stability and determine the premium rate. Pay premium. Once approved, the installer will need to pay the premium to the bonding company to activate the bond. Submit bond to government. After obtaining the bond, the installer must submit it to the Memphis and Shelby County government as proof of compliance with the bonding requirement. How does it work? When a septic system installer obtains a bond, they are demonstrating their commitment to following all applicable laws, regulations, and industry standards in their work. If the installer fails to fulfill their obligations, such as improperly installing a septic system or violating local regulations, a claim can be filed against the bond. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.